All right, so I got mail today um, from both Wizard World and then the Zobie Fright box. So I'm going to be opening both of those here. It's the first time of doing the unboxing video in my game room here. So I'm going to start with the Zobie Fright box. Trying to remember all of what the themes were. I know Trick or Treat, American Horror Story, um, Trick or Treat, American Horror Story. For some reason, I'm slipping on the names of the other ones, but it was a pretty cool setup for the box. So, just gonna dig into it this time. As usual, tissue paper. I have a nice collection of that accumulating here. Let me pull this over here. So the first item in here is the shirt. Oh, okay. Misery was another one. And it looks like that is what the shirt is from. It's pretty cool. It says over 100 years of quality, number one standard, number 10, number one fan. Typewriters, 1990. That is pretty cool. Ranked number one with Paul Sheldon. I'm a Misery fan, so I'm happy to have this shirt. So that's a really good addition. The second item, was a spicy gift that was thrown in there from Zobie. Which I'm pretty sure I'll have plenty of use with. And it's Zobie hot sauce. Zobie Fright Pack 3-year anniversary. That's pretty cool. People who know me know I like hot sauce, so that's good. Another item is the pin. And I think this is from Dale and Tucker versus Evil. Sorry if I'm wrong. I've only seen the movie once, I think, if I have. I wasn't one of the ones that got extremely into it, so. But there is the pin. Another item is a metal plate picture. I forgot what the theme was, but I think this is from Bloody Gorgeous. They're pretty cool. You should check them out. American Horror Story was another one of the items, and it looks like that is what the small autograph, the 8x10, is of. Again, that is a show, actually, that I have to watch because I've only seen the first episode ever. So I'll have to check that out. And I'm not sure who this is from, but it is JSA authenticated. And the final autograph, 11x14, is JSA authenticated. Oh, this is cool. And it is signed by Quinn Lord, who played Sam in Trick or Treat. I already have Quinn Lord's autograph on an 8x10 that I had purchased through another company. So I might keep this one and sell that one. I'll figure it out and decide which one I'm keeping, which one I'm selling, but I don't need two, so at least not two pictures. If I ever meet Quinn Lord, I'd definitely have him sign a couple of things that I have. But see the cheat sheet here. So the cheat sheet, the hot sauce, the 4x6 metal print was inspired by The Ring, which was another theme created by Bloody Gorgeous. The pin is from Tucker and Dale versus Evil, created by Corey Kaufman. Looks like I had gotten the non-variant one. The shirt from Misery, the 8x10 autograph signed by Riley Schmidt from American Horror Story. That picture I'll be selling or trading as well. And the 11x14 signed by Quinn Lord, Trick or Treat. That image is pretty cool. So is the other one I have. So I probably will end up selling or trading the 8x10 that I have already and keeping this one. But here are the different options you could have gotten for the Quinn Lord signed pictures, and the different options of Riley. Sorry if it's blurry. The pins, the Bloody Gorgeous ring, shirt, and of course the hot sauce, which all looks the same for the design. But yeah, it's a pretty cool box. After seeing that Trick or Treat was one of the themes, I had a feeling it was probably going to be the main autograph. So yeah, I don't know. I'm probably going to keep the 11x14 from Trick or Treat and sell my 8x10 that I already have, as well as this American Horror Story autograph. And now the mail from Wizard World. Ooh, very happy to have both of these in my collection. We will start with this one. Authenticated by Wizard World, of course. And it is Sean Pertwee, who played Alfred in Gotham. So definitely excited to add that to my Gotham collection. The second photo was signed by Mark Pellegrino, and it's from Supernatural. So I have Lucifer from Supernatural and Alfred from Gotham now, so happy to add those to my collection because I collect autographs from both of those series and have a good one start of the collection going. So this is gonna be happy to add those. Thank you for watching. I have more stuff floating around eventually that will be coming here and there. Not sure as to when, but stay tuned for more.